I've had this sitting in my cupboard. Now, I thought it was like 2 months, but I just looked at the receipt. I brought this on the 25th of March this year. Oh my God. Honestly, I didn't think it was that bad, but it's bad. So I haven't touched this. The only thing I've done is this has fallen off and I've restuck it. That's all I've done. I haven't gone into it. And when I show you what it is, and maybe explain a little bit, you'll understand why it's been sitting there since March. We are now in October. Okay, let me show you. So we'll just take the little ribbon off and we'll get it out and then you'll understand. Pretty. And you're going to be like, why is that being sitting there, Sarah? Like, that's not even like a big deal. I'm going to try and open this without ruining it. And then I'll show you. It even has dust. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm so bad. Okay, anyway. Ooh. Obviously, it's glasses, right? You're like, why will you just not open your glasses? Look at the pretty case. This is why. Because they're not like, oh, okay. They're not what I remembered. All right, these are the glasses. All right. So, a little bit of story time. Ooh, nah, they're pretty. A little bit of story time. Okay, so these are optical glasses. Wow, aren't they pretty? This is what they look like on. Ooh, I do like them. All right, so this is the problem. This. Let me just tell you, okay? I have ADHD. All right, in case you haven't already guessed, I have ADHD, and I've been needing to get my eyes rechecked for well over a year. Like, if I thought I only brought this 2 months ago, it'd be like even longer than that. And I thought, using my ADHD brain, you know what? I'll buy myself my frames, like outside of where I go. I'll get myself like really nice frames, right? And I saw Chanel had done a drop and they had these new frames out. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go into Chanel. I'm going to have a look. I love their big, like, you know, black ones. Because mine have to, I have to wear them when I'm driving. I like them to go tinted. So I thought, well, these will look nice tinted. So I'll get these, right? And, you know, so I'm like, I'll get these. This will make me make my appointment. This is going to make me make my appointment, right? This was my thinking because, as you know, we don't make appointments. Like, it's hard to make an appointment. Like, to keep the appointment, I've got that down. Like, I've got reminders and all that kind of stuff. And, you know, you prepare for the appointment. It's making the appointment that's really, really difficult. So I leave myself prompts and things like that to, one, remind me to make an appointment, but two, to make the appointment. With glasses, I've known that I've needed to get them, but I still don't make them. Anyway, so I got these. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I paid $830 for these, all right? So they're not cheap. That's just for the frame. And now I've got to go to the appointment today, get my eyes rechecked. I'll be getting new lenses. They'll go into these and all will be good until the next time I get my eyes checked, right? And I'm hoping that I really like these and I keep this frame for a while. Now that I'm looking at them, they're not what I remember, so that's a bit of a... Anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm going to get... So, I've got my appointment today. Like, my brain has just gone off sidetracked just then, and now I've forgotten what I was talking about. This is how bad my brain is. Anyway, I've got my appointment today. It's at 3 o'clock. I'm going to take my frames down, and I'm going to finally use these and get my eyes checked and my eyes redone. Like my... You know what I'm saying. So these are going to be my new glasses. Do we like them? They're actually like a tortoiseshell. Don't know. Oh, you can probably see a little bit like up there. They're kind of like a tortoiseshell. Initially, these weren't the ones that I wanted, but the ones I wanted were a bit more like just straight black and they were a bit bigger. But my daughters talked me into these and I'm kind of now like, I like them. I'm not going to lie. I do like them. They're going to look all right, I think. They're a little bit wonky, but they'll fix that. What do we think? I mean, obviously I look like crap right now, but I think these are going to do it. And I think these are going to look all right tinted. Do you know what I mean? Whereas my other glasses that I wear every day, I don't think they look good tinted. So that's why I wanted to go with something else. But now I'm kind of like, I don't know. Anyway, wish me luck. I've got my appointment today. These are going to be my new glasses. And it has taken me since March to get them off the shelf. So I wasn't going to unbox them because you know what would have happened? If I unboxed these and then showed everyone, I was like, I would have put them back on the shelf and then I wouldn't have my appointment today. So since March of buying these, it's taken till October to make the actual appointment. It took probably the year before, a whole year before, to even get myself to go and buy the glasses. So it's a process. You know what I mean? It's a really long process. It sucks, but it's a process. My ADHD is out there. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not medicated. That's a whole other story. But anyway, it is what it is. Do we like my new glasses? I do. And I like the case. That's pretty. That's a pretty case. Anyway, that's it. Ciao, ciao, bye.